Hi there and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to make the most delicious creamiest butternut squash soup ever. These are my ingredients and they will be listed in the description box below along with step-by-step instructions. So I have one peeled diced butternut squash. I'm adding one medium onion, diced in quarts, and drizzling some oil, 3 tablespoons of oil. 1.5 tablespoons of complete seasoning, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and I'm making it a little bit spicier today, so I'm going in with 1 teaspoon of pepper flakes. I have some dry parsley, and that, guys, is my secret ingredient, and that will be added at the end of my soup, almost to the end of my soup. So we're going to mix well, and then this will be placed on a baking sheet. So before placing it, I did spray my baking sheet with non-stick spray, and then I'll place the butternut squash to be roasted on top of that. Guys, in our butternut squash, before I did that, I did add a few sprigs of thyme on top and 3 eggs of garlic. Now I'm adding my foil wrap over the butternut squash, and that is sprayed with the non-stick spray also. And this will be placed in the oven for the first 30 minutes covered in a 350-degree oven. Then you can remove it for an additional 20 minutes until the butternut squash is nice and tender. Now we're removing the thyme leaves from the stem and the roast garlic, guys. That will give this soup so much depth and flavor. So there it is. I'm going to squeeze that out and get rid of the skin. So to my pot, I'll be re-adding my butternut squash, which I would have already roasted. Now that, guys, I put in my secret ingredient. That is my nutmeg, and that is half a teaspoon of nutmeg, 2 cups of water, and I'll also add 2 cups of stock. You can use whatever stock you like. Now let that cover. So here, guys, is where you taste. You can't go wrong. Keep tasting, adjust your seasoning to your likeness and taste. I'm going in with 1 teaspoon of complete seasoning and another half teaspoon of nutmeg. Give that a quick stir and bring it to a boil. I place my squash into the blender, and here I'll pulse this until it is nice and smooth. Alright, and that is nice and smooth, beautiful consistency. Look at that, guys, super delicious. Taste, make sure it is to your likeness and taste, and you garnish and serve. Guys, thank you so much for watching this channel. If you're new, please go ahead and subscribe. If you're already here, thank you so much for watching. Please share this video and comment. Do enjoy. Bye bye.